Zlatan. Now you drop this car on Zlatan. See, I don't really know who they advise many of all these musicians. So, but the truth is that if to say Zlatan tell me say I get project when I want drop, what be your advice before God and man? I for advise you say use the money when you want to record this album. Use that to invest for your zanku store. You know that, because the title of the album is Symbol of Hope, but with what I see, I'm not sure say hope did that place. Zlatan, why now? If you know Zlatan, tag her to this video, because they say that I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for this to get advice. 3 mistakes where Zlatan make for this album. Number 1, that title, the title, Demons. In 2025, Zlatan, you see the shot Kapash Mere Mere Shupako for 2025. That shows lack of improvement and lack of branding. It shows say the way you did 2019 will take break out, and that way you still there now. For album we title a Symbol of Hope. What's not the hope when you see it's old glory? We expect something new. We should be Kapash Mere Shupako in 2025. 2025, Kapash Mere in no align. There's no alignment. Number 2 mistake where Zlatan make for this album. The features when he feature not do something new. Because a feature with Davido for that hip hop messiah, feature with Davido is expected, so people not really dey surprised. And especially maybe we feature people like the Sinoliski, Shode. All those guys will be see they still get something new to offer to the music scene. Not be you and Davido. We don't see you and Davido many times. And the fixture they very expected. And people not evaluate what they expect. Number 3 mistake where Zlatan make for this album when it drop. The album cover not really sit well. The album cover not sit well. Because who snap you that, who barb that hair when you use for that your album cover? They not cover. They not cover well. As album will be say, you don't tell when you drop album, so you drop this album, everything's supposed to be in perfect position. As they snap you like this, you're carving. So the album cover they misrepresent you. You see got that tracks will be say you try like that or that oyoyo. You won't motivate yourself. They find song we want to motivate yourself. You don't get hope for life. And only that track not really live up to the title of the album, say Symbol of Hope. For Nigerians, you will not get hope for life again. You not get hope for life again, and you find what you want give you hope. Go play that Zlatan track, oyoyo. It will give you hope. Let's say you or even people like them Popori. These guys they get something new to offer. The reason why Nigerian entertainment industry, the music aspect, don't they move forward again. Afrobeats they in a stagnant stage because now the old people we don't blow. People see they want fan. They want to fan those people. Then they leave the people who get something new to offer. New sound did the industry, but nobody they pay attention to the upcoming. Who don't they fan Davido? No one leave Davido. Who don't they fan Whiskey? No one leave Whiskey. Who don't they fan Burna Boy? No one leave him again. Who they fans Whiskey they there. So they leave the people we say they get something new to offer. And why we say Afrobeat is very stagnant. I expected that this your album should be able to what at least bring new people to the scene. Who are you? Symbol of hope. Now, who did you give hope? Nobody. At least this your album should be a symbol of hope to somebody. Say, okay, now through this Zlatan album, they bring new artists. Popori them, they there. Other artists, they are there. But no. See, na financial expert Abio. I know they give my advice from a place of sentiment and emotions. You know that. So before you criticize me, make sure say you go play. You play the album well. Before you play and go play and then come back, then confirm what I talk for this video. You know that I play this album on my AMG, GLE precisely. You know that go play them well first. Before you understand what I talk for the video. You know that one love. Zlatan will be one zanku polo for me. I beg.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.